about the facilities for the differently able?
Hello, I am Richard Narona and I am the member of the exposition committee. So here we've set up a counter which is being functioning right from the inaugural, and this counter is to provide assistance to the differently abled people, to the ailing people, those who require assistance. So this special counter is there set up with the help of the government. There are buggy services available and there are services of e-rickshaws which ferry the wheelchairs. And close to around 6,000 people have taken advantage of this counter to date, and many more are coming. So the criteria to reach and avail this assistance is that you need to either get a pass, a wheelchair pass, which were issued through the parishes, various parishes, and now also if people want to avail these services, then they can come with the letter of the parish priest or a doctor's letter, and by showing these letters or a disability card, you can take this pass and avail this wonderful service which is provided, which takes the venerants right up to the queue through this service, and many people have availed of this benefit. Nevertheless, we would also like to appeal to the people, to only the ones who are requiring this service may approach this counter and make use of this facility.
And what about those senior citizens who want to go for mass? Is that available at the Basilica as well?
So once the veneration is over, we have also stationed e-rickshaws outside the campus. So these e-rickshaws ferry the people from this point either to the Basilica or to the parking. So there are around 13 e-rickshaws which are running in loops. So this facility is also made available.
And right now, if there is somebody who comes in from out of state, how do they avail of this facility?
So many venerants have come also out of the state, and most of them are carrying some doctor's letter. So they have done their research and they are aware. For the ones who are not carrying any certificate, we are also verifying them. Some of them are very evident that they require help. So such cases are also acknowledged based on the evidence that we get for such venerants.